Hey guys, welcome to our video. This past Christmas, we created a small party for the New Jerusalem Children's Home, where we had many games, activities, and treats. We had so much fun! Like all great events, we started off with a song and prayers to bless the day. And then it was time to get started with games and giggles. After a couple of games, it was already lunchtime, prepared by the Boulders family. We ate and ate and ate. Soon after that, everyone received gifts from a funny Santa. And then we all danced together. Thank you, Boulders Shopping Center, for your kindness and generosity. Thank you, precious little gifts, for youthful energy and innovative ideas. Happy New Year, everybody!